BLACKVIEW A20, and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device by using the BLACKVIEW settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using here the home screen. Let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings right here. Then you need to scroll down and select system. From the list of system, let's choose reset options and choose here the erase all data factory reset. So this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset phone, and the device right now asking you to confirm the operation. Let's tap erase everything, and the device is performing the hard reset operation. So let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so everything went well. Now you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.